Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Weekly Whimsy. I'm Lindsey, and today we will be diving into the freshest developments in crypto and blockchain. We've got a packed episode for you this week, so let's jump right into everything. Our community over on Discord has grown to a robust 3,824 members. It's a place where both beginners and seasoned tech enthusiasts mingle, exchange ideas, and push the boundaries of technology. Over on social media, we recently addressed a critical topic regarding the robustness of IPFS. We showcased how, despite GameStop's transition to a free Pinata plan, their NFTs stored remain secure and accessible. This scenario highlights IPFS's resilience, demonstrating that even if service levels change, the integrity and availability of data persists. You can still access these NFTs through alternative gateways or opt to repin them yourself, ensuring that no data is ever lost. This week, we're shining a spotlight on Planet Moon. Planet Moon is an innovative decentralized social platform built on the Binance Smart Chain. They transcend traditional social networking by integrating blockchain to create a secure and interactive environment. Here, users can build profiles, network, and even engage in NFT-gated communities. With features like rocket rewards with the interactive When Moon game, Planet Moon fosters an engaging community atmosphere. The platform ensures user control through its non-custodial recoverable wallet system, highlighting security and user autonomy in digital interactions. Mark your calendars for the Midwest Blockathon happening this weekend, March 29th through 30th at the University of Kansas. This 20-hour hackathon, sponsored by Pinata, is set to host over 200 participants eager to delve into Web3 development. It offers a fantastic opportunity for both novices and professionals to learn directly from experts, compete for exciting prizes, and experiment hands-on with the latest in blockchain technology. It's more than just a competition, it's a community event where new ideas meet execution and innovation. Let's explore the capabilities of Pinata's IPFS CLI. This CLI is our newest offering aimed at enhancing how developers interact with IPFS. This command line tool bridges the convenience of traditional software development with the cutting-edge needs of blockchain technology. Whether you're managing files on the fly, uploading substantial data sets, or integrating IPFS with your existing projects, the Pinata CLI simplifies operations without compromising on power or functionality. Our recent guide delves into the capabilities, offering step-by-step instructions to maximize your productivity with this robust tool. And that's all for this week's episode of Weekly Whimsy. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons down below to stay up to date for more updates from our team. Until next week, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye, everyone.